The pink one. Makai susupe?
Hả?
Hả? Mau tinggal bubu. Jangan biasa. Pergi ke bawah kapal. Buat mulai. Wah. Siapa?
Để coi xem nữa.
Kasih dulu.
Just came to get some stuff for food. Uli me la vaina la come. We just came to get some kalo, you know, some stuff for food.
Kaya ano? Nasa. Kau kau fawadi au.
Lalo kulay awali.
Kusa fai pe susu pe elem fang famela ko su lang eliang. Eliang susu.
Ele lei umami.
Dali.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this lady. While my sister's sorting that out, I'm just gonna go have a look in here, see if we can find something good. Oh my god, they have so many handicrafts, guys. One of the best, one of the finest handicrafts that you can find here in Samoa. Yeah. This is where you can get, you know, souvenirs and gifts to take home if you are from overseas. They have varieties of Samoan crafts, everything, clothing, fans, bags. Hey guys! It's still rainy. I just wanted to update you guys. I'm so sorry I haven't been I just haven't been vlogging much. Today's Saturday. My older siblings are arriving today. So yeah, we've just been busy cleaning the house and getting food ready for them. Amira's sick. She's feeling a bit under the weather. She's got a bit of fever. We went to see the doctor today and the doctor prescribed us paracetamol for now. But yeah, she should be okay in the next few days, hopefully. So yeah, that's what's happening. The weather is still, as you can see, still rainy and windy. I think the wind has calmed down, but the rain is still going. I mean, it's raining season here in Samoa, so it's making it really hard to do stuff and get stuff done. But yeah, looking forward to seeing the older siblings and their kids. Okay, that's where we're at. Bella lady. Okka. Säkkiä, det almost malo tau. O ame ya tau, fai ai ening. Malu au. Umman case. Falay heron. Ang sanga imay timu. Timu ngaleaso. Okay. So the older siblings have arrived. Hi! Hi, Malaya!
Who's that? Who's that? Does he know how to walk? Where's Belinda?
Not really.
Is Nana and Papa on the other side of the island?
Yeah.
Pikachu!
Welcome.
You can choose.
How was the flight? Benina's gone somewhere, but she'll be here.
Where's my mom?
Look at this guy. Look how grown you are. You've grown so much.
Gabriel, give it back.
Hi. Oh, look at this cutie. Okay, Lani. Wait, baby's sick, so. Hi. Is it Ariana?
It's Ariana.
Hi, Ariana.
Mommy.
Ariana Grande, is it?
Mommy.
Let's see if she has the voice too.
Finally. Wait, baby's sick, so. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you want to watch TV? Hurry up, Gabe, do it.
Now on the corner. Mom, I do it and fall down and break. And I can't get another one. I won the first round. I'm winning.
The next day.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So it is the next day. It's the next day. We're just on our way to get some breakfast for everyone and also some stuff for our tonight. It is Sunday. And this is how we do it in Samoa. So we're at Mama Joe, just getting some breakfast for everyone at home. Gonna grab one coco Samoa. Fresh bread, you guys. What are you gonna make for everyone at home? Are you gonna make dal? Are you gonna make dal? Are you gonna make dry vegetable curry and some roti? Come. Hi, Kailani. This is my little niece Kailani, my brother's daughter. This is our tuna, guys. Yeah. Delicious.
Later that day.
Crazy, all you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hello from Talmasina. So my husband booked us a room here because of course our house is fully occupied at the moment. And not just that, like the past couple of days our pal's been off every night. So, you know, if you know my baby Amira, she does not sleep well without a fan. So yeah, this is why we're here. Thanks. Nice. All right, room tour, you guys. We've got this here. Mirror. There.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
The next day.
How was your sleep last night? Did you sleep well? Of course you did. She only woke up once. Hmm? My love. Nina. Nina, how was your sleep? Did you sleep well? Look. Huh? Huh? Good morning from Talofa. Just going to have breakfast. Kikipuaa. Stir fried. No, sorry. Banana soup. Cocoa rice. Beans. Yum. Oh, nice. Sorry. Huh? So we're just having breakfast now. Oh, did you order omelette? What a beautiful sunny day today in Samoa-together. It has been raining the past few days, so it's nice to see some sun. Baby girl sleeping. Samoa doesn't have a microwave. I think this is a standard room that we booked for a few days. Yeah, they don't have a microwave, and this is what I'm doing. Just putting boiled water in this bowl, and yeah, just heat up these bunny popo that we got from Sula. We got it last night. So I think what I'm doing is working because it's, yeah, they're warm now. So yeah, if you book a standard room, this is what you'll get. Just a kettle, these complimentary coffee, this is mine. But yeah, you'll get these. And then also comes with a safe, with a locker, and then there's a mini fridge. You'll have one milk and a complimentary water bottle, but if you need more water bottles, then you'll have to pay, I think, 5 tala for one water bottle. So it comes with an iron. It's supposed to be on the other side, but I just put it there because an umbrella. This one here comes with this, a blow dryer. This is little table here, looks like a desk to sit on and eat, or you can do your work on there. And then there's drawers here. Drawers to put your belongings inside. fridge. And it's got a TV. Skin moisturizing body lotion. I'm just showing it to you guys, whoever's gonna come or whoever's looking at booking a single room. This is what it comes with, just so that you don't have to worry about bringing stuff, you know. Toilet papers. If you need more, you can just call them and ask them more. And then a bath gel, moisturizing shampoo and a conditioner, and soap. But you're gonna have to bring your own loofah, because they don't provide that. And a tissue box, towels, obviously. And yeah, that's pretty much. So you're gonna have to bring your own paste, your own toothbrush, just face wash, whatever you need. Bring everything that you need, because this is all they provide. And yeah, the AC is on. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So we're currently on our way to the nail salon just to get actually we're going to pick up my sister first, and then we're gonna head off to the nail salon. Samoa-together. Okay.
Sunday morning, I walk into my room, and I have no idea what to do, but I'm so sure that I don't need you. Oh baby, just do not cry over
Who's that?
same with her.
Raynham's fast food takeaway. Barbecue. I like your dress.